Your foundational knowledge, understanding vehicle systems. Start with the fundamentals, engine components, pistons, rods, valves, crankshafts, basic automotive tools, vehicle architecture, and the roles of each major system: engine, transmission, brakes, steering, suspension, HVAC, electrical. This foundational knowledge grounds learners before advancing to system-specific tasks. 2. Diagnostic techniques and tools. Master the use of advanced diagnostic equipment, scan tools, multimeters, oscilloscopes, code readers, computerized shop systems, and learn to interpret results to accurately identify issues spanning powertrain, electrical, braking, and more. 3. Hands-on repair and maintenance practice. Essential services through guided hands-on labs. This includes fluid services, oil changes, tire services, brake work, HVAC repair, and routine vehicle maintenance. Applying real-world repair procedures on actual vehicles. Autoserviceworld.com. 4. Advanced specialized systems. After mastering basics, explore advanced topics: hybrid and electric vehicle systems, high performance and diesel engines, optional manufacturer-specific tracks for brands like Ford, Toyota, etc. This deepens skill sets for emerging and specialized automotive technologies. BeastAccreditedColleges.org. 5. Safety and regulatory compliance. Learn safe handling of tools, chemicals, and vehicles. Training includes workplace safety, use of protective gear, defensive driving concepts, and compliance with emissions and environmental regulations. 6th, customer communication and shop operations. Gain non-technical skills like writing cost estimates, explaining repairs to customers, performing quality checks, and managing service documents, critical for effective shop operations and customer satisfaction. Autoserviceworld.com. 7. Certification preparation. The curriculum aligns with ASE standards, preparing participants for certification exams through theory and practical training. Instructor-led and hands-on schedules may count toward required work experience. 8. Career readiness and support. Includes career services, resume help, interview prep, and connections with local shops and dealerships. Many programs partner with industry for student internships and job placement opportunities. BeastAccreditedColleges.org. 9. Continuous learning and updates. Regular curriculum refreshes keep pace with evolving automotive technologies, hybrids, EVs, computerized diagnostics, ensuring graduates remain relevant and skilled. Autoserviceworld.com. 10. Program duration and delivery format. Program lengths vary. Short courses, 12 to 18 credit hours, a few months, for focused topics like HVAC, electrical systems, auto mechanics. Cools.com. Certificate diploma options, 6 to 24 months. Associate degrees, about 2 years, often including general education credits and potentially counting toward work experience. An axle is a shaft or beam that connects the wheels and supports the vehicle's weight. It also transmits torque from the drivetrain to the wheels in driven configurations. Think of it as the backbone that enables movement and balance. Types of axles. Front axle supports steering and absorbs shocks. Live drives the wheels in FWD/4WD systems. Dead only supports weight, doesn't rotate. Rear axle found in RWD or AWD vehicles, carries engine torque to rear wheels. Commonly split into 2 half shafts connected via a differential stub axle short shaft for wheel mounting in front independent suspensions, often with CV joints. Beam, solid, axle rigid shaft linking both wheels, commonly in trucks. Heavy but durable, sometimes called a live axle. Key components: axle shaft, solid or split shaft bearing torque from the differential. Differential gear set that splits torque and allows wheels to rotate at different speeds during turns. CV universal joints. Flexible joints allowing for wheel articulation while transmitting power. Testingautos.com. Axle housing and bearings. Structural support containing shafts and bearings, protecting them from road impacts. How it works. Torque transmission. Engine, transmission, drive shaft, differential, axle shafts, wheels. Weight support. Axles bear part of the vehicle's mass and keep it balanced. Glory4cars.com. Steering and suspension, front and stub axles, aid steering motion.